Hello everyone, in today's video we will learn how to edit Flash Cutout Transition. So let's come to the tutorial. First you will have to freeze the second clip. Then you will drag down the second clip into overlay. Make the second clip as I do. Delete the last clip and what as I do you will have to do. Then you will have to remove the background of the clip. Then go to animation and select irregular heart. Then go to the second clip and select video effect and search shake effect. And do the setting what I do.